In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit keywords in a Google Ads campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make smart choices so your ads reach the right people. First, sign into your Google Ads account. Once you're in, head to the campaigns area. You'll see a list of your active and paused campaigns. Click the campaign you want to work on. This keeps your edits focused and ensures you're only changing the keywords for the right set of ads and settings. Next, look at the left-hand menu and select keywords. This is your central hub for managing search terms. If you see multiple keyword views, stay in the main keyword section so you're editing the terms that trigger your ads in search. Now choose the specific ad group you want to edit. Ad groups are best when each one centers on a tight theme like a product line or service type. Keeping keywords closely related to the ad copy and landing page in that ad group usually improves relevance and quality, which can help performance and costs. To add new keywords, type them into the provided text field. Enter one keyword per line for clarity. Think about the searcher's intent, what someone would actually type when they're ready to learn, compare, or buy. Keep variations consistent with your ad group's theme and avoid dumping unrelated terms into the same place. That organization helps your ads feel more accurate to the search. Choose a match type for each keyword. Broad match can capture a wide range of related searches and is useful for reach, but it needs strong relevance and good conversion signals. Phrase match shows your ads for searches that include the meaning of your phrase, often with helpful variations, offering a balance of control and volume. Exact match is the most precise, focusing on searches with the same meaning as your keyword, giving you tighter control over who sees your ad. Pick the option that fits your goals and budget. Enter a final URL for the keyword if you want to send clicks to a specific page. If you leave this blank, Google Ads will use your ad's final URL by default. Keyword level URLs are great when a particular term maps to a highly relevant landing page. Just make sure the content clearly matches the user's intent. When you're done, click Save. Your new keywords are now part of the ad group. From here, you can let the system process the change and over time come back to refine based on performance. That's it. Your keywords are edited and ready to go.